29 forecast.
Welcome back. Not quite as hot and not quite as humid as yesterday. Now, the airport did make it up to 92 this afternoon. That was one of the hottest readings around. The dew point is currently in the low 60s. Yesterday at this time, these numbers were in the low 70s, so it is not nearly as humid. We had a front that came through this morning. That front is just off to our south and east. 84 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, up to 87 this afternoon. Some other readings, 83 in Louisa. You saw some showers and storms earlier this afternoon. 78 in Dillon. We've got 90 there in Lovingston, 84 in Waynesboro, and 87 currently in Madison. Tonight is July's full moon. It's also known as a buck moon because of the male deer that continue to grow out their antlers this time of year. It's also a super moon. That means that the moon's closest approach to Earth, the perigee, occurs during that full moon of the lunar cycle. The moon will rise tonight at 9:08 in the east-southeastern sky. It'll set tomorrow morning at 6:40 a.m. And so when it rises and when it sets, from our perspective, it certainly looks a lot bigger and a lot brighter. And that's a good time to take a shot. And you might want to do that here this evening or tomorrow. Of course, yesterday we were dealing with severe storms. Orange County was really hit hard. This is a great capture of the lightning here from Diane Line in Orange. And speaking of the rain, many locations throughout southeastern Madison, Orange, portions of Greene into Culpeper seeing 2 to 3 to 4+ inches. Look at this corridor of Route 20 here through Orange and out farther east. A lot of locations picking up 4 inches or more of rain. And of course, the wind damage, we had lots of that. We had hail in the Oak Park area of Madison County. And again, just an active day with repeat thunderstorms, all severe basically, riding over the same areas. Good news this afternoon is we've just had a few showers and isolated storms off to our east, mainly through Buckingham, portions of Fluvanna and Louisa. All that activity now down toward the Richmond metro area, headed out toward the northern neck and southeastern Virginia. Temperatures tonight generally in the 60s. There'll be some patchy fog. Tomorrow, temperatures similar to today, anywhere from the mid 80s to around 90. Both Thursday and Friday, can't rule out an isolated shower storm, but most locations dry. And again, our planner for tomorrow shows a lot of sunshine, perhaps that stray storm. So the next couple of days we'll kind of hang out in the mid to upper 80s. As we move into the weekend, it'll turn more humid, and each afternoon will give rise to a few showers and storms. So all the action really today firing just near and south and east of the stalled out front, which came through this morning, the same front that brought severe weather across portions of the region last night. As we take a look at futurecast, we can see most of the action off to our south and east. We'll hold on to some clouds here tonight, and then we'll thin out for the overnight period. Temperatures in the morning will start in the 60s, and by afternoon tomorrow we'll be in the mid to upper 80s across much of the region. Can't rule out that stray storm. Variable clouds tonight, some patchy fog. We're in the 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Pretty typical mid-July weather here. A little more humid this weekend, more storm chances, especially Sunday into Monday with the next cold front.